As you can see from way over there, you got like one of the pages and way over there still. Just chilling way back there in it's chilling backstage. That's Bloodline 1842 from last year. Yep, just chilling backstage. Yeah. They got this van over here, which is made out of here it's made out of wood. It's kind of sick. The owl here, Sasquatch, the bison bull, what do they call it? It's kind of sick. The rat. They're all made out of wood, basically. Yep. There's a dog in the back. Over here, the owl, more owls. Baby Yoda. And they got Mario Big Chili in the back right there. And then they got a little turtle with his stick right there. Another bear. This is a dog, I'm pretty sure. And they got an eagle, Sasquatch, and then they got a buffed ass shark that's like all buff. And they got this horse that you play the game of chess over here. And then they got more over here. And then they got this new one. Looks kind of cool. I like it. Looks kind of sick. The Immortals one looks kind of sick right there. And then they have this wolf right here. I'm gonna catch you see it. And then this has this new mermaid right here. Big old biddies. Other right here, shark, Sasquatch over there, another rat. And then they got an elephant right there. That's where they make all the wooden like stuff over there. Kind of sick. That dog in the back, and then the dragon in the corner. And they got this big ass wooden dog. It's made out of like wood. You see it, but yeah, it's in right here. And then in the back, right here, they got the bee on the honeycomb and shit right there. You can see it right there. And I know you can see, but right here are the chainsaws that they use to carve up all of these like wooden like pieces and shit. Looks pretty sick that they do. Yeah, festival. Okay, cool. These are the audio ones I showed you guys earlier. Yeah, that's about it. So like and subscribe.